I'm stuck on my current project. It will continue moving along, but I thought I'll try something different that didn't work. I'm working on an AI village, a simulated village that runs on my computer. I wanted to develop it by thinking only about how I represent the world, how everything works. So basically a spec-driven development. I wanted to be able to define the spec, iterate on that, and then almost treat the LLM as just a compiler. Spec-driven development isn't new. Humans have done it as well before. And it's a good idea. You should think about what you're building before you build, but do not underestimate how much of a project are made of these small decisions that happen as you use it. This is why you want to work with people who care about what they're doing. For this project, to be more specific, I defined everything, the way the world is represented, the way that the world is updated, the state is updated, and it actually makes sense. I caught some problems before I even started coding. I went too far from 0 to 1 without allowing me to keep iterating and thinking in small steps. I find it quite common with AI to go very far quickly, but then kind of get stuck a little bit. So this led to a huge amount of confusion at the end. So the thing doesn't quite work as I expected. But now I'm overwhelmed. It's hard to understand how to recover from here. I'm working on that. It's simple. I mean, worst case scenario, I can restart. But the point that I wanted to make, it actually is much better to understand what you're building, the overall picture at the start. But you want to create tools that help you think clearly about the project you're working on. So in my case, I should have started with a simple little editor that allows me to see the world and move manually before I add any AI whatsoever. That's one thing that I'm working on right now, I guess. My initial goal was to make sure that I kept the prompt. I kept the thing that created the code. I want to treat the spec, the prompts, as the actual code, and then the LLM as the compiler. I didn't quite find the right balance yet. I need to go back into building as a collaborator where we're both working on this as if we were sitting next to each other, and I want to be able to look at it and understand what's going on. So the next thing I want to work on is to also think about how to communicate to me what's happening. So to treat it as a communication problem, not just the code. Don't forget to think about how you communicate as a team. My hypothesis is that by doing this also helps the LLM itself validate its own work. And yeah, let's see. Hopefully the AI video is coming along soon and I'll share more. I know this was a bit more abstract. I don't have anything concrete to show other than maybe iterate, care about what you're doing. Bear with me, subscribe if you haven't yet and if you're curious. And let me know in the comments how you usually code. Do you write the spec? Do you iterate only? Do you find yourself overwhelmed quite often? As I turned off the camera, I thought maybe we should call this story-driven development. You're iterating, you're going on your own adventure and seeing where you end up. So hopefully you're the hero. And yeah. This setback is giving me space to think a little bit, so I've got some ideas on how to make it a bit better. But I think first I'm going to give it some time to settle. I just need to work on a small win. So I'm going to be working on a different project that I think might be interesting. More on that soon.